guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Neji Ngobo, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face and you like the content that you see on this channel, please do take the time to hit the subscribe button and help me grow this YouTube family. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you an update of my apartment, how I've set it up, how I've used the storage, etc, etc. I've actually tried to shoot this video 2 other times, you guys, and today I finally was successful. So the first time I tried to shoot the video, they started with the construction downstairs and it was banging and drilling and you couldn't hear a thing. So I was like, okay, scrap that. I'm going to have to do this some other time. I got really busy. And then the second time I tried to shoot the video, I did my makeup, I was ready, set up, and then load shedding hits. And I was like, am I doomed? Is somebody performing witchcraft on me? But actually it was my fault because I didn't check the schedule. But anyway, here we are today, attempt number 3, and it's gone successfully. So please enjoy this footage as I give you an updated tour of my apartment. So let's start with the smallest room that I have in this flat, which is the bathroom. So this is a very small space, but I've tried my best. So on the sink, we have over here this container that it was a jar that I've repurposed to hold my Colgate as well as my toothbrushes. One of my toothbrushes is in a travel case. Ignore that, whatever. And then hand lotion, black African soap, which I use for my face. And then that's just a random bar of sunlight anyway. And I hate the fact that this cleaning bucket has to be here in this corner, but there's literally nowhere else I can put it. So that's an eyesore, but nothing we can do about it. Then on the actual toilet, I've had to put my hairbrushes. That's a room spray for after I've done a doo-doo. But I have to put my hairbrushes there because where else am I going to put them? Space is very tight here. And then I just have some decorative stuff there in the corner, very random. And then here is a towel hook that came installed, and I use that for drying my face cloth and my underwear, wara. And then here on top of this mirror, I just have some hair products, and inside the mirror there's some like my body exfoliant, blah blah. I won't show you, it's a mess in there. Then the favorite thing that I have purchased for this bathroom is this shower caddy right here that hooks onto the door of the shower. I love having it. It is from Pip Home and it was about 80 or 100 rand, and it just makes sense. So the top shelf, I've put in my face brush, my body brush, as well as I put my razors in there just to touch up my armpits during the week. And then we have intimate wash, shampoo, face wash, and a mask here. And then this is the shower. And I have that body exfoliating isaga lelu guys, but body exfoliating African scrubs angaz isaga tin. So that is the bathroom. Then moving over to the kitchen, this is how I've set stuff up. Here I have my glasses. I have random jars because I love drinking out of jars. I like making a gin cocktail in a jar. And then this is just more juice glasses and wine glasses. These are pretty decent, pretty looking wine glasses. Purchased these from Pip Home. They are so cute. If you're interested, they were 30 rand each. That is a recent buy. Then I have my coffee mugs. These are also from Pip Home. And then I have these plates that I've had for years. In this corner, it's where I put my dishwashing stuff. We have Domestos, Sunlight Liquid, sponge, pot skewer, and the plug in this plastic black container. Yeah, if you don't mix your dishwashing water with Domestos, I'm judging you. And that's the sink. And then I have this jar here that holds utensils. There is no drawer here in this cupboard, so this jug comes in handy, and it's a bit pretty decorative jar of corks. And over here in this container, I bought this container from ShopRite. It's cute. I have two of them, and usually I put like snacks or treats. I usually put like biscuits or like chocolate or whatever, but I don't have any of that right now, so I decided to fill it up with some spearmint and honey bush tea. I really love this tea. Take a screenshot if you want to try it out. Bought it at Dischem, and spearmint is really supposed to be good for your, what you call it, hormonal balance. Yeah. Then up top on the shelf there, I have my MCCs. I'm planning to grow this collection and put some more stuff up there. And then right next to the kitchen counter is a makeshift stove situation. So these flats, they are really not feeling us with installing stoves. So you'll find that with most Joburg flats, you do have to buy a mini oven. This was purchased at ShopRite. And then I purchased this stand at a secondhand furniture shop. So this stand is additional counter space, because that counter space is really small. So the stand really came in handy. Purchased it for like 250. I don't know what it is actually for, but anyway, I'm using it as a shelf. And as you can see, this is my cutlery drawer, which I have just shoved in here. Thank God it fits so well. And then bottom of the shelf, we have some pots. So it's actually doubling up as storage, which I love, love, love. Right next to that is my fridge. So that is the kitchen set up as a whole, you guys. And on top of the fridge, I have that wine rack, which is currently empty. Someone send wine because this is quite sad. So yeah, that is the kitchen setup. And the living room to kitchen is an open plan situation, and I have purchased this amazing couch. This couch is my favorite thing ever. I've been dreaming, visualizing, hoping for, putting on my vision board to have a space with an emerald green couch, and here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This emerald green couch was purchased at a furniture shop here in Randburg, and basically you can choose any color you want. They have the designs on the floor of the shop, and then you choose the material in the color you want, and they custom make it for you. And this was 3,000 Rand for this couch. I'm really, really happy with it. And next to the couch, the setup that I have is just some decoration, some green leaves in a jar with water. And then I have this artwork that I did myself a while ago, and that is the setup of the couch. Really love it, really happy with it. There is some random things in this corner, but forgive me, I'm still trying to figure out the storage situation. And then next to the couch is the storage shelf here. I've decorated it, tried to make it look pretty, and I'm still working on it. Not completely quite happy with it yet, but it's a work in progress. So have some decorative items here just set up. This is a load shedding candle. If you know, you know. Then the other side of the living room is a bit disappointing at the moment because what? No TV stand, but we are working on it, darling. We're going to save up some money and we are going to work on this area, and it's going to be all sorted. Okay, moving on to the bedroom. Here we are in the bedroom, and I feel like the bedroom is currently my sanctuary. It's the room that's the most close to what I envisioned, because I'm still working on the living room, and I feel like the bedroom is just so close to what I envisioned. It makes me so happy. Let me tell you a fun fact, you guys. So I've not been living at home for hundreds of years. I'm kidding. I haven't been living at home for a long time, but this is the first time in my life I've actually had a headboard, and it's absolutely amazing. I feel so accomplished. I feel like I've really made it in life. So This is my bed with the headboard. The headboard was also bought from a furniture shop here in Randburg. It was 1,000 rand, and then I think it was 1,100 rand, and then I paid like maybe 150 for delivery. Yeah, and then the bedding is from Jet Home. It was 600 rand, and the scatter cushions you see here at the back are from Mr. Price Home. I've had these for like a year and a half now, so I don't remember how much those cost. And then the wardrobe area, I've had to put my shoes on top of the wardrobe there just to optimize on space. And then behind the door I have this over the door hook situation, and it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but I'll tell you, it's very convenient to just get out of bed, get your towel, wrap it around you, and go into the shower. So it's probably not going anywhere. And above the door is my vision board. And then we have this situation. I have no idea where to store the suitcase, so it's just randomly in the corner here. And that is my laundry and the handbag I'm currently using. Again, it's one of those things where I just not figured out a more convenient spot to put it. And I need a better laundry bag, like a cuter one, and one that closes, you know. But anyway, all in good time. This corner right next to the bed, I have this situation that I'm working on. So I'm trying to turn this into a vanity situation. This is where I get ready in the morning. This is where I do my makeup. If I'm doing makeup, you see, like, yeah, my perfume is here. Some of my eyeshadow palettes that don't close are here. I have a body spray. And then I have my diaries and the book that I'm currently reading. So yeah, I am going to really soon mount this mirror onto the wall. I just wasn't sure yet if this is the corner I want to use as my vanity spot. But I think it's been set up like this for weeks now, and it's convenient. So I'm probably going to mount it really, really soon. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I hope you really like the choices that I've made. As I said in the video, there's so many other purchases that I still have to make, some small, some big. I need a bigger, better, closable washing basket. I would love to get a rug for the space underneath the couch. I need a TV, and I need a TV stand. The TV and the TV stand, I'm really gonna have to save maybe for 2 or 3 months, but I'm not in a rush really. I can watch everything I need to watch on my laptop, but getting a smart TV is just gonna be a game changer, a good viewing experience. So I really do need to get that, but again, I'm not in a rush. And yeah, so do tell me what you think of the space. Do tell me what you loved about it. Do you love my green couch? Like my green couch? This green couch is like my favorite thing in the world right now. I'm living for this green couch. Yeah, so tell me what you think of the space. What choices did you like? And also, what would you purchase for yourself? Because I did plug you here and there. But anyway, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to watch the other videos of my moving series if you haven't done so. I'll link them in the comment section, and also share and like. Thank you so much. Love you loads, and I will see you on the next video.